No, Kenny Baker R2D2.
Okay, well, why would that?
We're going to Animal Kingdom today. It's 10:13. We're just waiting for Janet to eat breakfast. And then we're going to Animal Kingdom. And then going to Hollywood Studios later.
Well, he's just as blind as a guy whose eyes stopped working.
I broke my yoke.
Batman is the worst person I've ever met.
I'm wearing my Animal Kingdom shirt. It says, "Training to be King of Pride Rock." John is wearing his short sleeves again with his thing wrapped up that he said he wasn't going to do every day, but so far he's done it 3 out of 4 days.
What can I say? It works well. Why wear long sleeves when you can wear short sleeves? Because everything is awesome.
Everything is cool when you're part of the team. I don't think I've gotten the entrance to like any park. Animal Kingdom. Oh God. Hey. Hoopa. Look, there's Herman's. And Janet. Perfect. Hey! What'd she say to you?
Is that Somerville, Mass?
No.
I was like,
Somerville, Massachusetts. Tree of life.
if you look straight ahead, there's a tree.
Thanks, Captain Obvious. Says, I have just met you and I love you. We're coming up on Everest. Look at that. What's your favorite part on Everest?
The drink afterwards?
I like the part.
The backwards part?
Yeah, that's my favorite part. What's your favorite part on Everest?
When the Getty comes.
I think when you go backwards. That's what I said. Yeah. It's DuckTales.
Wait with you, Johnny.
That looks like
Launchpad.
Donald.
Donald, Daisy, and Launchpad.
To think maybe you love me. Now baby I'm sure. We're waiting online for Everest. Excited. One of my favorites.
Had some alcohol with me.
Just in Mount Everest. Fun. Pops up.
Came out and oh, get out here.
What did you do when we went on Everest?
Ate ice cream.
Soft serve? I'm jealous.
It's right there.
Where are we going now?
I don't know.
We're going to Safari.
Hollywood Studios.
No, we're going to the Safari. We did the Safari because it was a 50-minute wait and there's no point. We're going to go over to Pandora and do the new other Avatar ride. We're going on, oh God. We're going on the Avatar ride that we've never been on. Some animatronic, I don't know. Excited. There's the other act. What's this? We've gotten to this point. Don't know what it means.
It means we're not in Johnny's cup anymore.
Kind of boring. I was just thinking that.
This is what KL calls a nice sleeping ride.
We are going on Avatar. It's right behind me. Well, I'm actually under the rock.
He's so cool to work for such a lame movie.
It's right. It's like you're riding a banshee over the Pandora world. It's like 3D. So we're inside of Avatar.
Say hi, Aber. Oh, wait, I'll do the Aber pose. Is that it? Yeah.
Just got off of
A Vayner.
getting food, a hot dog, and chips. John went to go get a cheeseburger, I'm pretty sure. We're online for Dinosaur.
The beginning of this movie, basically the movie starts by having the apocalypse happen for dinosaurs. It's all the meteors and shit, and it's like literally like I was terrified. I had nightmares about it. I didn't watch that movie for a long time. Can you hear her? No.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We gotta get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll!
Good thing I'm not pregnant.
Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
Brace yourself! This is it!
We're back on Everest.
We lost a soldier.
Yeah, Pat left. Almost.
Basically, but not Buzz Lightyear. Not Buzz Lightyear.
We're almost there. We're rewrapping John's tattoo. But as we're doing that, turn to us. We are going to.
Went to the beach about 6 days after I got this one finished last year. I was like,
Yep. This is 8 days now.
We were a couple of weeks into that one too.
Nice. Wow.
You can tell a little bit, yeah.
We're going to Hollywood Studios now for dinner. Mama Melrose, here we come. Yep, the rest of them are already there. So,
We heard from them.
I have no idea if they're actually already there, but by the time we get there in the video, they're going to be there, so.
Right.
Find it, sir. On to the bus. With everyone else, so.
Is it only here?
Crazy. Fancy seeing you here.
How's it going? Literally. I feel like a whole new person.
Why?
I have
Beer.
Usually we drink like 2 or 3 waters a day. I had one. I was tired.
Well, I made it to Hollywood Studios.
It's very hot.
It is really hot right here. It's
I gotta say, I love you, Pat. I love you,
4:58.
but I'm not going to the show.
Yeah. We're just gonna
Come on,
continue
Anna.
walking. We're gonna continue walking to the restaurant. We have like 20 minutes till dinner. And then we'll stay in the park, I guess, until close, probably. First time doing a closing day this whole trip. Making a pit stop at Star Tours right now. Because dinner's not until 5:35 now because the push our tables together. My feet are pounding right now. But tomorrow's a pool day, so I'm excited. I have actually only watched one Star Wars movie. The Empire Strikes Back. Because it was for our class that I had to watch it for. We're entering the air conditioning. How excited are you for food? Are you excited for food?
Is now arriving at gate 1
Italian.
I'm more excited for Toy Story Mania.
We're getting on the ride.
We're in the front row.
We are.
In the car by ourselves. Right here.
See this? Savage.
I want you to do that one time and somebody be like,
We made it to Mama Melrose. Anyways, we're at Mama Melrose. Dinner, it's Italian. We went on Star Tours. It was alright. It wasn't the most fun ever. Alright, this was my dinner. I had the Italian pasta. Abby had shrimp. Something.
No, this thing, it might be like stores.
What was this?
the shrimp company.
Yeah.
You can rent it for $3.
John had chicken parm, and Pat had the same thing that I did. How was your dinner?
My dinner was on a scale of, well, I have to scale it to myself, so on a scale of like 1 to 12.4, thank you. I'd give it a solid 8.7.
On a scale of what?
1 to 12.4.
Oh, so it was like alright. It was better than the middle.
It was definitely on the bottom of my Disney dinners.
For sure, but better than anything in downtown Disney.
I haven't eaten downtown Disney in so long. I couldn't even tell you one thing that's there.
The bowling alley.
The bowling alley even has a bar. Oh, Patrick.
My meal was alright. It was a little dry. On a scale of 1 to 7.4, I would say it was definitely like a 4.9.
Ooh, really? Okay.
That was on a
A
scale
little
of
less
7.
than mine.
But mine was on a scale of 7.4.
Still a little less, I think, right?
Yeah. Well, mine was really dry, to be honest.
Mine was like sweet.
Maybe like a 5.1. Between a 4.9 and a 5.1. The one thing that was really good though was the bread.
And I think we were both satisfied.
I'll never be satisfied.
about to
You'll
say
never
that.
be satisfied.
Janet, you strike me as a woman who's never been satisfied. I'm sure I don't know what you mean. You forget yourself.
You're like me. I'm never satisfied. We are going to Toy Story Mania.
Through.
Through the worst part of the whole park.
We're entering the worst part.
The worst part of the whole park.
Oh my god.
Did you get that?
Yes, I did. We're in line for Toy Story Mania. Why? This thing keeps getting blurry. I need to clean the thing off. Really? Shut up. Shut up. Are you serious?
Let's examine their score. Good work, players.
That was Pat.
Pat's always winning out here.
We're going on a Slinky now, everyone.
Can't wait to get my fix of Slinky.
Yeah. Just love Slinky so much. It's my favorite.
Can't wait to feel the rush.
Ah! Hit me up. We just did Slinky. Wow. Crazy. We're going home. Pretty eventful day. Went on a lot of rides. Let's see. Let's count them. What do we go on? Went on Everest, the Avatar River ride, the Avatar Flight of Passage ride, Dinosaur, Everest again, Star Tours, Toy Story Mania, and Slinky. 8 rides today. Pretty eventful. Tomorrow's a cool day. There's Slinky.